We need to talk about this book, which is Intermezzo by Sally Rooney. The space this book holds on the internet right now needs to be studied about. This was also the book of the month for November on Chalchitra Talks.
Which is your favorite Sally Rooney novel? Mine has to be Conversation with Friends. I can get the entire book tattooed on my face.
It is definitely a book which has been reduced to its aesthetics. आपने इंटरनेट पे कहीं ना कहीं तो ये किताब ज़रूर देखी होगी and you must be wondering what is the hype about. Well, welcome to Kitabi Cabins. मेरा नाम चारू है and this is the review of Intermezzo by Sally Rooney. I have so much to talk about this book, but we'll get to the critiques first to get them off the table. Talking on the literary criticism of the book, this is not good writing. I'm so sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Strictly talking about the screenplay of the book, it's not well written. It's choppy, the words don't flow, and since when did not using quotations and full stop was cool? If you're putting me on the argument that Charu, this is an experimental stream of conscious prose style, just don't. I do not accept this. I'm so sorry. And if you're a new reader and you're seeing Sally Rooney all around और आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैं भी किताब उठा लूँ, just be cautious. क्योंकि मुझे पता है this is not a prose. ये ऐसे शब्द नहीं है जो आपके साथ टिकेंगे. It's not a screenplay that will make you stick with the book. तो if you're a new reader, be very cautious before you get into Sally Rooney. मैंने कहा पहले बता दूँ फिर आप बोलेंगे कि चारों ने बताया नहीं. You might disagree with me on the fact that if it's a good writing or not, but you have to acknowledge the fact that this lady holds the power to divide the internet in two right now. लोग बैठ के लड़ रहे हैं if it's a conscious stream of poetry style कि or if it's only getting disregarded because it's new. And people do not want to accept anything new happening in the writer's world. The plot of the book is very interesting. We have two brothers. The older one is Peter, who is a very successful lawyer, and his love life is a complete mess. Well, welcome to the world of Sally Rooney. And the younger brother is Ivan, who is a chess prodigy, who's an awkward, meek little child. And these two brothers are grieving the loss of their father. They already have extremely complicated relationships with their emotions and people around in their lives, and how the death of their father accelerates these emotions, and how do they navigate every relationship in their life after the course of the death of their father. Peter, the older child, is such a man-child. Do you know such men who fall in love once when they're 16 and they're not ready to move on उसके आगे से अपने को भी harm कर रहे हैं. They are also making things horrible for the next woman coming in their lives. So Peter is that guy. I hate it, but I love how Sally Rooney just captured it in her words, and she is writing about this man and his love life. Peter now is dating a very young college student, but he is in love with Sylvia, who was his first love. They're not technically together, they are friends, but they're not only friends. And due to an accident, Sylvia cannot have sex. This entire dynamic is explored in such an empathetic and unflinching manner, which also reveals later that this was one of the reasons which drove them apart. Ivan, who is the younger brother, is a 22-year-old, very smart kid who is dating a very older woman. ये किताब आपकी सारी कल्पनाओं को पूरा करेगी. Peter और उसके भाई का relationship is also not very nice. Peter is the successful and dominant one who was also handling all the finances and the insurance जब his father was battling with cancer. And I love how Peter and उसके भाई का dynamic explore कर रहा है. I told you this book has everything for everyone. You know, you'll have these proper moments in the book that you're reading something and then you'll close the book and go like, I see. Sally Rooney has tapped onto at least everything one must be going through to have that moment with a book. Both of the brothers know that they aren't supposed to be in the situations where they are with their romantic love and other things happening in their life, but still somehow they are stuck there. And I love how in every Sally Rooney's novel there is this thing that people cannot communicate, क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि हमारा इतना ज़िम्मा ही नहीं है कि हम अगले आदमी को जाकर के we can confront or even question them about a certain thing. There is a very common theme which runs throughout the entire book, which is you need to love yourself first before loving other people, which is true in some contexts. And I love how Sally Rooney ने अपनी हर किताब में ये चीज़ एक्सप्लोर करी हुई है. She's just telling people, कभी कभार आपको चाहिए होता है कोई आपके आए ज़िंदगी में, वो आपको बता के जाए कि परख के जाता है ना कि you are a very lovable person. That's what's happening in this book as well. We are introduced to these characters. उन्हें पता लगता है कि okay, maybe We are also lovable at some places. Something very new in this work of Sally Rooney was that it was from the narration of two men, which was very new and very exciting to read through. The title intermezzo is a chess term that refers to a completely unexpected move. It's also a reference to a piece of music in an opera or play that connects two acts, an interlude of sorts. And this is what we are following through the entire book as well. This is very, very Sally Rooney coded. If you've been wanting some contemporary, modern, romantic work that you want to read, please get your hands on to the Sally Rooney. I really, really enjoyed reading the book, and thank you for being here. Thank you for being kind, and I will see you next time.